Children, can you combine the two sentences using the conjunction and? Vaishnavi sings rhymes. Vaishnavi sings songs.
Vaishnavi sings rhymes and songs.
Very good. Go and take your seat. Vaishnavi, come here. Kormarao plays cricket. Kormarao plays kabaddi.
Kurmarao plays cricket and kabaddi.
Very good. Go. Himasvi, come here. Shashidhar have pen. Shashidhar have pencil.
Shashidhar have pen and pencil.
Very good. Next, Suhita. Srinivas Rao speaks Telugu. Srinivas Rao speaks Hindi.
Srinivas Rao speaks Telugu and Hindi.
Very good, Suhita. Next, Ravisri, come here. Shyamala eats apple. Shyamala eats banana.
Shyamala eats apple and banana.
Very good.